I originally tried doing this little video as one of those talking heads things they do on YouTube all the time. You know, a guy will sit and he'll talk to his audience, he'll talk right into his camera. I tried doing that today. I had about 10 goes at it sitting in my kitchen, and it was hellish. It's one of the most painful things I've ever done, and I couldn't subject anyone to that sight, so I've opted for this slightly less painful voiceover instead. And what I'm doing is, last week on my website I announced I was having a little giveaway of some of the stuff I've made, some prints and some little magazines and badges and stuff. I asked people to send an email if they wanted to enter, just give me their name, and I was going to pick out the winners, and that's what I'm doing now. I'd intended to pick these winners in this ambitious way using the pigeons that live out the back, and little bowls of breadcrumbs or cornflakes or nuts with names hidden in them, and the pigeons would fly down and they'd pick out the names, and that would tell us who'd won what. But, well, apart from the fact it would never have worked, as you can see by the little clips I filmed out the window today, it's pissing it down and there's not a pigeon in sight, so I can't even try. I put some cornflakes out to see if I could tempt them down, but nah, nothing. There's not even seagulls or blackbirds or anything. It's just a grey, horrible day. So what follows is the actual picking of the prize. Aye, stay tuned, it's riveting.